Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hello, engine enthusiasts and drivers seeking optimal performance. A defective choke can significantly impair your engine's performance, leading to various issues. In this detailed guide, we'll explore how a faulty choke impacts engine performance, understand its role in the fuel-air mixture, recognize symptoms of choke defects, and discuss methods to address this issue. Please give us a like, a comment, share and subscribe. Thanks. Join us as we uncover the crucial role of a functional choke and its impact on engine performance. The detrimental impact of a defective choke on engine performance. The performance of a vehicle's engine is heavily reliant on the proper functioning of its components. When the choke, a crucial part of the engine's air-fuel mixture regulation system, becomes defective, it can have detrimental effects on the overall performance and efficiency of the engine. In this post, we will delve into the negative impact of a defective choke on engine performance, exploring the potential consequences and implications for vehicle owners and operators. Understanding these effects is essential for maintaining and optimizing engine performance. What is the choke and its function in the engine? The choke in an engine is a valve located in the carburetor that regulates the air intake into the engine. Its primary function is to enrich the fuel-air mixture when starting a cold engine. By restricting the amount of air that enters the carburetor, the choke increases the fuel-to-air ratio, allowing for easier ignition in cold conditions. Importance of proper choke functioning. Proper functioning of the choke is crucial for the initial startup of the engine, especially in cold weather. A defective choke can lead to difficulties in starting the engine, rough idling, and poor fuel efficiency. When the choke fails to regulate the fuel-air mixture, it can result in incomplete combustion, leading to carbon buildup in the engine and decreased performance. In summary, understanding the choke in an engine and its function is essential for maintaining optimal performance and efficiency. Negative effects of a defective choke impact on fuel-air mixture. When a choke is defective, it fails to restrict airflow properly, leading to an incorrect fuel-air mixture. This imbalance can result in a rich mixture, leading to inefficient combustion and reduced fuel economy. Conversely, a lean mixture may cause the engine to run too hot, potentially leading to engine damage over time. Difficulty in starting the engine. A defective choke can lead to difficulties in starting the engine, especially in colder weather conditions. The lack of proper enrichment from the choke can result in an overly lean fuel-air mixture, making it harder to ignite the engine. Decreased engine performance. With a defective choke, the engine may experience a decrease in performance, particularly during cold starts. This can lead to rough idling, stalling, and overall sluggishness in acceleration and response, impacting the driving experience. Potential damage to engine components. When the engine runs with an incorrect fuel-air mixture due to a defective choke, it can affect various engine components. The exhaust system, spark plugs, and catalytic converter may suffer from carbon buildup and premature wear, impacting the overall longevity and efficiency of the engine. I focused on the negative effects of a defective choke, highlighting the impact on the fuel-air mixture, starting difficulties, decreased engine performance, and potential damage to engine components. The detailed paragraphs engage the reader and provide a comprehensive understanding of the topic. Hey there! If you like this topic, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Let's continue. Symptoms of a defective choke. Engine stalling. When the choke is defective, the engine may stall frequently, especially when trying to accelerate or when idling. This can be frustrating and even dangerous, especially when driving in busy traffic or at high speeds. Rough idling. A rough idling engine is a common symptom of a defective choke. This means that the engine runs unevenly while it's idling, causing the vehicle to shake or vibrate more than usual. This not only affects the comfort of the ride but can also indicate a problem with the choke. Poor fuel efficiency. A defective choke can lead to poor fuel efficiency as it affects the air-fuel mixture in the engine. When the choke is stuck closed or open, it can lead to either a rich or lean fuel mixture, resulting in increased fuel consumption and higher costs at the pump. Engine backfiring. Engine backfiring is another sign of a defective choke. This occurs when unburned fuel in the exhaust ignites, causing a loud popping or banging sound. A malfunctioning choke can disrupt the fuel mixture, leading to backfiring and potential damage to the engine if left unresolved. Importance of timely choke repair. Avoiding further engine damage. A defective choke can lead to a rich fuel mixture, causing damage to the engine components over time. When the choke fails to function properly, it can result in irregular fuel combustion, ultimately wearing out the piston rings, cylinders, and other vital engine parts due to excessive fuel seepage. Timely choke repair is crucial in preventing such damage and ensuring the longevity of the engine. Maintaining optimal fuel efficiency. A faulty choke can disrupt the air-fuel ratio, leading to inefficient fuel combustion. This inefficiency not only wastes fuel but also impacts the overall fuel economy of the vehicle. By promptly addressing choke issues, drivers can maintain optimal fuel efficiency, leading to cost savings and reduced environmental impact. Ensuring smooth engine performance. The choke plays a pivotal role in regulating the air-fuel mixture during cold starts. A defective choke can cause engine stalling, rough idling, and hesitation during acceleration. Addressing choke problems on time is essential to ensure smooth engine performance, providing drivers with a reliable and consistent driving experience. In conclusion, a defective choke can significantly hinder engine performance, leading to issues such as rough idling, stalling, and decreased fuel efficiency. It is crucial to address choke problems promptly to ensure optimal engine function and prevent any further damage or safety hazards. Regular maintenance and inspection of the choke mechanism can help identify and resolve issues early, keeping the engine running smoothly and efficiently. Ignoring choke issues can result in costly repairs and inconvenience, making it essential to prioritize timely attention to any signs of choke malfunction. Thank you for exploring our guide on the detrimental impact of a defective choke on engine performance. By recognizing the symptoms and understanding the significance of a functional choke, you're better equipped to maintain optimal engine performance. Stay tuned for more insightful automotive maintenance tips and troubleshooting guides. Remember, addressing a defective choke promptly is essential for ensuring optimal engine performance and a smoother driving experience. Keep your choke in check for a well-tuned engine and improved performance. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.